Hi guys, in the previous video we have reviewed this home theater circuit board. Now we are wiring this board. Connect the both channel left side legs together. It is ground. For input and output, connect the right and left channel output to middle points of potentiometer and input to right side of the potentiometer 2 points, and the ground is common to connect main board and to input. First find the ground and connect the ground pin of the potentiometer to the main board, and the remaining 2 wires you can connect anywhere, only on the volume control on the main board. And now connect the 5 volt output for your MP3 kit. Connect positive to 5 volt and minus to ground of your MP3 kit. As you can see in the MP3 kit, they have mentioned right, left and A, G and D. There you should connect your 3 input wires from your potentiometer. You can also connect your aux cable to connect to your phone without MP3 kit. Now we are going to connect bass control in our main board with the help of another potentiometer. And now I am connecting the woofer wires in the main board. Now I am taking a 12-0-12 transformer and connect in the main board. It has mentioned 12, 0 and 12. We should connect in that way. If you want to buy this circuit board, you can buy it from Amazon. The link is in the description. Now I am going to connect speaker wires. First connect the ground and the right and the left. Now I am taking the speaker and connect the 2 speakers, one terminal together like this, and connect the black wire which is ground, and connect the black color ground wire to the yellow color wire which have I connected like that, and the right wire to the right speaker, right side terminal, and the red wire to the left side terminal. It's done. It is the time to check. Sorry friends, I have disconnected my MP3 kit because it was damaged and connected a aux cable to it, and now we are checking with this. Okay. You can control the volume, bass. In the next video I will tell how to connect cable in your home theater circuit board. Then please like, share and subscribe and comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.